Hey everybody, welcome back to the Global Mindset University. This video is your passport to the world of air travel, designed not just to take you on a journey through the airports, airplanes, and adventure, but also to help you learn useful vocabularies, expressions, and also, most importantly, some idioms along the way. Whether you are curious learner, future traveler, or someone who simply loves language, you will discover how English come alive in the sky. Buckle up, your language learning journey is ready for takeoff. Learn all the vocabularies and idioms that you need to know on air travel. Let's go ahead and listen the books together.
Air travel. The airport. The airport has a terminal. I go to the terminal on a shuttle bus. The shuttle bus takes me to the departures area. The terminal has a control tower. The ticket counter. I am a passenger. I go to the ticket counter. An agent helps me. I show her a passport or other ID. She gives me a boarding pass. Security checkpoint. A security agent checks my boarding pass. She also checks my carry-on bag. My bag goes through an X-ray machine. I go through a scanner. The terminal. The terminal is a busy place. Some passengers use a moving walkway to move around. The terminal has many gates. I read signs to find my gate. The airplane. It's time to get on the airplane. I walk through the jetway to get to it. The pilot is at the front of the airplane. Inside the airplane. I walk down an aisle to get to my seat. The flight attendant helps the passengers. I put my carry-on bag in the overhead bin. The runway. The airplane takes off from the runway. The engines and the wheels help the airplane move. The wings help the plane take off. Baggage claim. I get off the airplane at a different airport. My suitcase is at the baggage claim. I find it on the baggage carousel. I leave the airport.
What are the new vocabularies and also idiom that you learn from this book? Let us know in the comment below. Thank you for watching Global Mindset University. We'll see you on the next episode. Until then, have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.